Hey guys, welcome back to RV Barndominium. Well, we tried out our bikes this past trip that we took and it worked out great. We got this new bike carrier. It is super solid. It's made by Hollywood Racks, and it was suggested by Velotric on their website, and it did a great job. Now, we have a bike cover, which we wanted to cover them so they don't get so nasty and everything. We have a bike cover, but after we get it all mounted up and we was all ready to go, and we was putting the cover on, and we remembered that our cover for bikes has a hole in it. Has a hole where the 3-inch shaft slides into the hitch. So you have to put the cover on when you put the hitch in, and it wasn't just as easy as pulling the hitch out. Let me show you why. So when you put this hitch in the receiver, it came with this U-bolt, which actually grabs the bottom of the hitch of your bike rack and goes to the top lip of your receiver, and it pulls them together with the bolts. You tighten the bolts and it pulls it together. That keeps this from rattling. I really like this, and it makes it solid as a rock. But when I had to go take this off to put that on it was just too much to do that day. We got a good day here today after work, so we're gonna go ahead and take all this back off again and get the bike cover on there so that we can so that we'll be able to utilize it. So let me get my wrenches and get all this apart and get all the bikes unmounted. One thing I like about this bike rack is it has this arm that comes off that grabs your frame to hold it, and you tighten this to grip that. And as a theft deterrent, it has a lock on it. Whenever it's locked, it just free spins. It doesn't, you can't undo it. So you have to have the key in order to put it in an unlocked state, and then it turns and loosens that knob and then allows you to undo your hitch. Another item I like about that Hollywood Works bike rack is that it comes with one type of key. They gave us multiple keys, but one type. This key fits all of these unlocks that grabs the frame. This key unlocks the hitch pin that goes into the receivers, so it holds your hitch in. And it also came with a bike lock cable, which has a key lock on it, which uses the same key. So one key takes care of everything that's on the hitch. That was nice.
I'm thinking maybe we better make sure that's going to come up around this.
Once I
get it on there? Okay.
I mean,
you want me to help you?
You can't see it until it's in and...
No, I didn't think it was big enough, but
This would come up
yep.
around the front.
I don't think it's going to be big enough by the time you get the bikes on there. Well, we got the bike rack on and the cover. We really had to finagle the bikes on the bike rack because...
Like putting on spandex.
Yeah, it doesn't look like it's tight, but over here you can see like right there, and it's mainly because of the bike racks that we have.
Yeah, we have the bike racks on the back, so both sides, that right there really gets in the way. I mean, it is on. It's probably going to bust the zippers one day, but...
Well, we're going to use it for now in a pinch, and then we'll invest in a new bike cover later. So we did spend about 30 minutes adjusting the bikes and adjusting the bike cover itself, moving it around just a little bit to get it over there. It's really made for
mountain bikes.
Yeah, regular 10 speeds or mountain bikes, not e-bikes. But we already had it for our other mountain bike, so we just said we'll use it for now. But see these bike racks, they extend out this one too, which I actually have a basket coming for mine, and Tony's like, there's no way you're going to get that on there.
Not with that cover, no.
So, well, it'll work for now unless you just want to order a new one. If anyone's interested in the Hollywood rack, the bike rack, now that is specifically for e-bikes, the Hollywood rack. It's just the cover that's not. We'll go ahead and put the link in the description. We do have an Amazon affiliate link for you. It'll take you right to it if you're interested. All right, well, we hope everybody has a great day. Get out there and enjoy the outdoors and get you some e-bikes.
So after wrestling with the old bike cover we had, it was just too small for the new e-bikes. They're a little bit wider, and the new bike rack we have holds them farther apart. The cover we had just wouldn't cover them good, and she has a basket on the back of her bike, and it didn't. I had to take it off every time. It was too much of a hassle, so I went ahead and I ordered a new one. This is actually designed for 3 regular bikes. They really didn't have a large e-bike one, but this worked perfect. It's got more than enough room, as you can tell. It's got plenty of slack in it. Comes with 7 snaps. This one also has some reflective tape on it to help with visibility behind us. The one difference in this one is that it basically slides over kind of like a furniture cover, and it's and then down at the bottom it just kind of closes up like you close it up with straps. The old one did cover and then zipped closed, so it was more confined and tight, so our question is well, we get mist up there if we drive through rain, but not an issue. It does have like I said, 7 straps, and it has an access hole so you can run a lock through it to lock it up. But other than that, much better fit, much better. We'll put a link in the description so that if you're interested, it was like what, $69 for this or whatever, so perfectly affordable, and yeah, works out great.